Hi, this is Karen from Ongoing Warehouse. In this video, I'm going to talk about stock taking and how to do stock taking by using what we call an inventory task. There are two ways of doing inventory adjustments in Ongoing. The first one is by stock taking, and here you just go to the list and change a specific item. The other one is inventory task, and there you create a task where you can do multiple counts. You lock all the items from outbound delivery during the inventory during the stock taking, and it also gives you a better overview so you can go back and see what you counted for each row afterwards in a more structured way. But before you create an inventory task, you have to make sure that you don't have any items that are allocated on orders. So one way of doing that is go to the order list and just filter for all allocated orders. So if you have any items that are allocated on any orders, they will show up here, and you have to pick them before you start your inventory task. Then you go to Warehouse Inventory Task and create a new inventory task. You can leave a comment for the inventory task, and then you get three options. So normal, article, item-based inventory, or location-based inventory. Those are just different ways of filtering in or out different articles or different locations. So normal takes everything you have in the warehouse and in all location and all articles. Article item based, you can change or filter by specific article numbers or article groups or batch numbers. The location based inventory, you can filter in or out different parts of the warehouse. So one specific warehouse, a specific zone or aisle, and also some location types. So I'm going to go with normal, take everything I have in the warehouse and go for create. Now I have a list of all the articles that I have in the warehouse, where they're located, and the current count in the system. Here I can switch between location-based and batch-based. So if you have different batches, you should go for the batch-based, since you can then separate different batches from another. So if you have this article, for example, is the same article in the same location, different batches, and if I have 35, I want to say which one I want to do a count up for. So up here you have the different counts. So at the moment I have 3 counts. You can increase this. You just have to tell us, and then we will put up so many counts that you want to have. So now you have to fill out the first count. Either you go row by row and fill it out, or you can do autofill. That automatically fill out the current number in the system if it's the first count, and otherwise to fill out the last count. So if you're just going to do a few adjustments, it might be easier to just fill it out and then change the items that you want to change. So I'm going to change this one and this one. You press the button to do the count. And now you have the difference between the count and the actual number in the system. When you finish with the first count, you go for next count and you start the second round. And we do the same. And if you find a new article that is not in the system and you want to add it, you just press add. You can type in a stock location, which article it is, and save. And now you have it here in the list. Okay, so now I've done my 3 counts. And when I press finish inventory, the actual adjustment will take place. But before I do that, I want to go and say approved on each row. And even if I don't approve the rows, they're going to do the adjustment, but you're going to get a warning. So let's say I will unapprove that one and then go for finish inventory. It will give me a warning, but if I do finish anyway, it will still do the adjustment if it is an adjustment on this specific row. So then just close it, the adjustment has been done. and you can go back at any time to see the different counts and the adjustments that you have made. So that is basically how you work with inventory task. So thanks for watching.